Rahim, good morning 10th class. Hope you are all fine. Today we will start our next topic, which is reflex action. Okay, reflex action is basically a type of response which is produced by our central nervous system, and these responses are very quick, and these are not our under conscious control. So these responses are very quick responses. Okay, basically what happened when central nervous system send impulses to our effectors, that may be muscles and glands. There are two types of responses are produced, that may be voluntary actions are produced or maybe involuntary actions are produced. Okay, voluntary actions, they are controlled by the brain, and these are mostly conscious actions. Okay, voluntary actions are controlled by our higher centers of brain, and these are conscious action. Okay, second type of response which is produced by central nervous system, which is controlled by central nervous system, is involuntary responses or involuntary actions. Okay, these responses or actions are produced when impulses are not passed to the higher centers of brain, means brain do not control these type of action mostly, and these are mostly unconsciously these responses are produced, and it is not our under conscious control. Okay, unconsciously these responses are produced, and these are mostly very quick. Okay, these responses are very quick, and sometimes these responses which is unconsciously produced, and these are involuntary action, these are known as reflex action. Okay, so reflex actions are mostly involuntary in action, and these are produced when the impulses are not passed to the higher centers of brain, and these are mostly controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, and the pathway followed by the nerve impulses for producing a reflex action is known as reflex arc. This is the definition of reflex arc is important regarding papers में भी पूछ लिया जाता है what is reflex arc. So this is basically the pathway followed by the nerve impulse for producing a reflex action is called a reflex arc. Okay, there are different example of reflex action. The most common example of reflex action is the withdrawal of hand after touching a hot object. When you withdraw your hand when you touch a hot object is an example of reflex action. Okay, another example, when for example when very bright light enter into your eye and you blink your eye suddenly. This blinking of eye is another example of reflex action. So there are other examples too in which there is quick responses produced without our conscious control. Okay, basically in this action coordinator is spinal cord. So reflex action, when you withdraw your hand after touching a hot object, in this case spinal cord act as coordinate. What happened basically, these are this diagram basically show this phenomena. For example, when heat from the hot object, it stimulates the receptor which is present in the your hand, pain receptor and temperature receptors stimulate these receptors, and then message is sent to the spinal cord through sensory neurons. These are the sensory neurons. This will send message to the coordinator, which is spinal cord. Okay, then this sensory neuron, when they send message to the spinal cord, then send in spinal cord there is interneurons are present. These interneurons then interpret that message, and then motor neurons, what they do, the impulse from the motor neuron is generated and which carried it to the effector organs. In this case, effector organ is muscles of arm. Then these muscles of arm suddenly pull the arm and you will withdraw your hand without even thinking. So this action is controlled by spinal cord, and this is without your conscious control, and this is involuntary action. This is an example of reflex action. Okay, and this pathway that is followed by reflex action is known as reflex arc. Okay, and during it, what happened, other interneuron present in spinal cord, they send message to the brain, so the person become aware of pain and what happened. So you can withdraw your hand even feeling pain. Okay, it doesn't matter how clever we are, we will always pull our hand away from a flame without thinking about it. So you first withdraw your hand and then think that what happened. Okay, because impulses which is sent to the brain is after when you withdraw your hand, and then impulses from neurons, they send message to the brain, and then person become aware of pain and what happened. So this is reflex action, and it's type of involuntary actions, and these are under this is not under conscious control. So this is also important question regarding papers. Learn it and make MCQs in short question format. Okay, हम today Allah Hafiz.